Hello everybody, myself V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, I have done problems on matrix multiplication. Today we study about properties of multiplication of matrices and problems on algebra of matrices. So, properties of multiplication of matrices. Properties of multiplication of matrices. Let A, B and C be the matrices, then A into BC is equal to AB into C whenever the equality of matrix is defined. That is, this is called as associative law. This is associative law of multiplication of matrices. Second one is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. That is, if A, B and C are of the same order, then A into B plus C equals AB plus AC. And the third one is existence of multiplicative identity. For a matrix A, there exists a matrix I of the same order of A, then A into I is equal to I into A is equal to A. This I is the identity matrix for matrix multiplication. Next, we pass on to the problems regarding algebra of matrices. This is a very important problems we are doing here. Usually for 5 marks they will ask these type of problems. So problem number 1, find a square minus 5a plus 6i if a equals 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. So matrix A is given. So first we have to find a square. Then we substitute in the given problem and find the value of a square minus 5a plus 6i. So let us find a square. So a square is a into a. So a here 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0 into 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. So, as you know that the product of two matrices rule is row into column, row into column. So, first row into first column, that is 2 into 2 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So this is the first element of the product matrix. And the next element is first row into second column, that is 2 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. Next element will be first row into third column. 2 into 1 plus 0 into 3 plus 0 into 3 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0. Now first row has been completed. Next we go for second row. So second row into first column, that is 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1, that is second row first column. Next element will be second row into second column, that is 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1. Next element will be second row into third column, that is 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 0. Next we go for the next row, that is third row into first column. 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1, that is third row into first column. Next element is third row into second column, that is 1 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 0 into minus 1. Next element will be third row into third column, that is 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. So that will be equal to 2 2s are 4 plus 0 into 2 0 plus 1. So 2 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0, 1 into minus 1 minus 1. 2 into 1 2 plus 0 into 3 0 plus 1 into 0 is 0. Next row, 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 2 2 plus 3 into 1 3. So 2 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1, 3 into minus 1 minus 3. So 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 3 3 plus 3 into 0 0. Next row, 1 into 2 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 0 into 1 is 0. So 1 into 0 0 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 0. So next element will be 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 plus 0. So we get a square will be equal to 4 plus 1, 5, minus 1, 2, plus 3, 9, 1 minus 3, minus 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 2 minus 2, 0, minus 1, 1 minus 3, minus 2. So, we got the value of a square. Next, we will substitute the values of a square, a and 6i in the given problem and find the value of a square minus 5a plus 6i. So, next step. So, consider a square minus 5a plus 6i. That will be equal to, instead of a square, we have to write the matrix of a square. 5 minus 1, 2, 9, minus 2, 5, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 5 times a. So, a matrix is the given problem, that is 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0, plus 6i, plus 6 into I. So, I means the identity matrix of the same order. Here the matrix order is 3 by 3. So, identity matrix of 3 by 3 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Next, we multiply this second matrix by 5 and the third matrix by 6, that is scalar multiplication of a matrix. We write the first matrix as it is 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2, minus, we multiply 5 to the matrix. 5 2s are 10, 5 0s are 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 and 5 into 0 is 0, plus we multiply this identity matrix by the scalar 6. So, 6 into 1, 6, 0, 0, 6 into 0, 0, 6 into 0, 0, 6 into 0, 0, 6 1s are 6, 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 into 0 is 0 and 6 into 1 is 6. Next, we add or subtract according to the given problem the corresponding elements. So, that will be equal to 5 minus 10 plus 6, that is the first element. Next element is minus 1 minus 0 plus 0. Next, the third element is 2 minus 5 plus 0. And we go to the next row, 9 minus 10 plus 0, minus 2 minus 5 plus 6. Next element is 5 minus 15, 5 minus 15 plus 0. Last row is 0 minus 5 plus 0. Next, minus 1 minus of minus 5 plus 0 minus 2 minus 0 plus 6 plus 6. So now we add and subtract the elements. That is a square minus 5a plus 6i equals, so 5 minus 10 minus 5 plus 6, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 5 is minus 3, 9 minus 10 is minus 1, minus 2 minus 5 is minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7, minus 7 plus 6, minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1, 5 minus 15 minus 10 minus 5, so minus 1 plus 5, we have 4, minus 2 plus 6 is also 4. That completes this problem. So we pass on to the next problem. If a equals 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3. Prove that a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i will be equal to null matrix. So first we have to find a square, then we have to find a cube, and next we have to substitute in the LHS of the given equation. So first let us find a square. So consider a square. A square is a into a. So a is 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3 into a. 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3. So the method is row into column, row into column. So first row into first column. So it is 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 2 into 2. So 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 2 into 2. Next is first row second column, that is 1 into 0 plus 0 into 2 plus 2 into 0. Next element is first row into third column, that is 1 into 2, 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3. So now next row second row into first column, that is 0 into 1 plus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 2. So next element is second row into second column, that is 0 into 0 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 0. Next element is second row into third column, 0 into 2, 0 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3. So next we pass on to the third row. Third row into first column, 2 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 3 into 2. Next element is third row into second column, 2 into 0 plus 2 into 2. So next is third row into first column. So it is 2 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 3 into 2. Next element is third row into second column, 2 into 0 plus 0 into 2 plus 3 into 0. Next last one is third row into third column, that is 2 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 3 into 3. So the last element is 2 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 3 into 3. So now a square is equal to, so 1 plus 4, 5. So this is 0 plus 0 plus 0. This will be 1 into 2 plus 2 3s are 6. So here 0 into 1, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 2 is 2, 0 into 0, 0, 2 into 2 is 4, 0 into 2, 0, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 3, 3. This is 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into 2, 6. So 2 into 0, 0, 0. So you will get 0. 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 9. That is 3 into 3, 9. So a square is equal to 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 2 plus 3, 5, 6 plus 2, 8, 4 plus 9, 13, and this is 0. So a square will be equal to 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8, 0, 13. Next we shall find a cube. So a cube is a square into a. A cube is equal to a square into a. So a square is 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8, 0, 13 into A. A is, matrix A is 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3. So that is row into column. So that will be equal to 5 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 8 into 2. So first row into first column. Next is first row into second column. 5 into 0 plus 0 into 2 plus 8 into 0. Next is first row into third column. That is 5 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 8 into 3. Next is second row into first column. So 2 into 1 plus 4 into 0 plus 5 into 2. Next element is second row into second column. So 2 into 0 plus 4 into 2 plus 5 into 0. Next element will be second row into third column. 2 into 2 plus 4 into 1 plus 5 into 3. Next row will be third row into first column. So first element will be third row into first column. Third row into first column. That is 8 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 13 into 2. 8 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 13 into 2. Next element will be third row into second column. 8 into 0 plus 0 into 2 plus 13 into 0. The last element will be third row into third column. That is 8 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 13 into 3. So next is a cube will be equal to 5 ones are 5 plus 0 into 0 0 plus 8 twos are 16. So 5 into 0 0 plus 0 into 2 0 plus 8 into 0 0. 5 twos are 10 plus 0 into 1 0 plus 8 threes are 24. Next 2 into 1 2 plus 4 into 0 0 plus 5 into 2 10. Next 2 into 0 0 plus 4 twos are 8 plus 5 into 0 0. So 2 twos are 4 plus 4 into 1 4 plus 5 threes are 15. 8 into 1 8 plus 0 plus 13 twos are 26. Here 8 into 0 0 plus 0 into 2 0 plus 13 into 0 0. 8 twos are 16 plus 0 into 1 0 plus 13 threes are 39. So here a cube will be equal to 5 plus 16 21 0 10 plus 24 34 2 plus 10 12 8 4 plus 4 8 8 plus 15 23 26 plus 8 34 0 39 plus 16 55. Next we shall consider the LHS of the given problem. So LHS equals a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i. So that will be equal to, so a cube will be 21, 0, 34, 12, 8, 23, 34, 0, 55 minus 6 times a square. So a square is 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8, 0, 13 plus 7 times A. A is the given matrix. 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3 plus 2i plus 2 into I. I means the identity matrix. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So next step is 21, 0, 34, 12, 8, 23, 34, 0, 55 minus, we multiply the whole matrix by 6. So 6 5s are 30, 6 into 0, 0, 6 8s are 48, 6 2s are 12, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 8s are 48, 6 into 0, 0, 6 into 13, 78 plus, we multiply the whole matrix by 7. So 7 1s are 7, 7 into 0, 0, 7 2s are 14, 7 into 0, 0, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 into 0, 0, 7 3s are 21 plus, so we multiply the identity matrix by 2. So we have 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2. So here we add the corresponding elements. Add or subtract the corresponding elements. 21 minus 30 plus 7 plus 2. Next 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next will be 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. Next row 12 minus 12 plus 0 plus 0. Next element is 8 minus 24 plus 14 plus 2. Next element is 23 minus 30 plus 7 plus 0. The last row is 34 minus 48 plus 14 plus 0. And the next element is 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. And the next element is 55 minus 78 plus 21 plus 2. So that will be equal to 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 21 30 minus 30 is 0. This element will be 0. So 34 plus 14 is 48, 48 minus 48 is 0, and 12 minus 12 is 0. Here 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 8 24, 24 minus 24 0, 23 plus 7 30, 30 minus 30 0, and 34 plus 14 is 48, 48 minus 48 will be 0 and 0. So here 21 plus 2 23, 23 plus 55 is 78, 78 minus 78 is 0. So which is nothing but a 0 matrix. Therefore a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i will be equal to a null matrix. Okay, thank you.